Welcome back, little Kathleen. I hope you had a wonderful day today. In this video, I will discuss how we can restore the balance when we are facing the death of a late loved one. Before I doing that, could you please subscribe my channel? Just subscribing will help my channel to expand. Thank you so much for doing that for me. And please watch the video until the end, for I will share with you very useful information that will benefit you. I guarantee that. It's important for us to learn how to balance and to find the happiness when facing the death of a late loved one. Usually, mourners like us feel very lonely and empty on the first 1 or 2 years of the death of a late loved one. While everything around us is the same, but our heart is broken. We miss the one we just lost. We miss the person we have spent many good times together, right? We may forget our sorrow when we are busy with our job. However, the loneliness will occupy our mind when we have free time, such as on the weekend or holidays. Even though we don't want to think about that, we keep thinking about our loss. The more we think about it, the worse we feel. If we don't take time to deal with that effectively, the loneliness will make us feel worse about ourselves. Then up until some point, we could not handle our emotion anymore. Then we could come up with a very bad idea, such as taking our own life. It did happen to me. Yes, it did. One night during the first 6 months of the death of my late husband, I wanted to cut my wrist until I died to follow him. Somehow, I called one of my friends, and she stayed up until 2 a.m. to calm me down. That's why I want you to be aware of this. Don't let this loneliness destroy your life or do something that hurts you. Your life is valuable. Remember that. And here, what we should do to occupy the loneliness. We must make ourselves busy with positive and healthy activities. 3 things we can do about it. First, to learn something new, such as music, learn to dance, learn something new about computer. Second, to find new hobbies that bring the happiness to us. For me, writing is the one that make me excited. And third, getting involved with communities such as you can volunteer at school, library, or shelter. You may also get involved with local groups that share your interests. For instance, if you love hiking, you can join the local hiking group. Here are some benefits that these activities can bring to you. First, they will make you busy, so you don't have much time to think about your loss. The less you pay attention to your loss, the better you feel. And also, when you get involved with healthy activity, you may find a newfound happiness and purpose for your life. It may open a new path of career for you. The second benefit is that you will get to know more people in your community. This will help you to create a strong network of support. The network will carry you throughout the tough times so you can be happy again. And you may learn something from other people, such as how to cope with your loss effectively. But the more important thing is that you will learn that you are not the only one who suffers. A lot of people have gone through the same pain you are facing right now. Because that is the one no one can avoid it, right? When you understand that reality, you will open your heart to help other people in the same situation. This openness and awareness will bring more happiness to you. You may find a new purpose, a new mission for life. For example, after losing my late husband and recover from his loss, I realized I could do something to help other people in the same situation. That's why I wrote and published this book. This helped us so many meaning and happiness to me. Even though I still miss my late husband badly now, but I can find the peace in mind and make my life become more beautiful too. To wrap up, I would like you to remember that by getting involved with healthy activities, you will be able to find the balance back for your life, for you will find the new meanings and new happiness. Also, you don't have much time to think about your loss. With time went by, your pain will less intense, and then sometimes it becomes bearable. And with that, you will be able to find the smile back on your face like I do right now. However, do not get involved with unhealthy activities such as overeating, smoking, drinking, or taking any drug. The unhealthy activities are the main cause for many serious health issues such as overweight, diabetes, heart attack, cancer. They will destroy your future and your family, so don't ever do it. Focus only on healthy activities negativity. Remember that. I don't want any bad thing happen to you and your family. Thank you so much for watching my long video. And check my book if you want to learn more about dealing with loss effectively. And if you find my video is useful, please share it with other people as well. By doing that, you will have many people to find the happiness again. And subscribe if you have not done it yet. Stay tuned for the next video